China's biggest and most popular laptop company, Lenovo, will launch a handsome six-legged Robodog this year. They've named it Daystar Bot GS. Its first look was recently unveiled on the IF Design website, where it was declared the winner of the prestigious 2024 IF Design Award in the product and industry categories. Although Lenovo hasn't officially released any information related to the specs and capabilities of Daystar Bot GS, the IF website mentions boasting an advanced control system, cutting-edge perception algorithms, and IP66 robust protection. GS outperforms in unforeseen scenarios, enabling comprehensive data collection at any location and time. What's more interesting is that people have already begun to compare Bot GS with Spot, the popular four-legged Robodog from Boston Dynamics that may soon make a return to the New York Police Department, NYPD. Not the right time to compare. Lenovo has kept Bot GS a secret. Until the announcements of the IF Awards, nobody outside the company didn't even know they were developing a Robodog. Also, as many people believe, it isn't the first robot in their portfolio. The company has a Daystar division that's been making robots since 2020, which along with three other types of industrial robots previously developed a four-legged Robodog Q1. While Q1 was specially built to navigate hard-to-explore environments and work in difficult terrains, Bot GS will be able to inspect, patrol, collect data, and guard any location and all types of landscapes. Compared to Spot, it has an additional pair of legs and a wider body frame. The IF website claims that the groundbreaking six-legged design guarantees unmatched stability and maneuverability that surpasses traditional robotic platforms, allowing it to traverse diverse terrains with ease. However, Bot GS hasn't launched yet, and its performance hasn't been tested. So whether it is more stable and efficient than Spot remains to be seen. Moreover, Lenovo has developed Bot GS for companies, governments, and industries operating in Asia. On the other side, Spot is being used by private and public players located in the US. This also hints that there might be a significant difference in their price. More cameras and sensors for better performance. A report from New Atlas reveals that Bot GS is likely to come equipped with multiple cameras, sensors, technologies like lidar and radar, and an additional robotic arm. All these features hint that Daystar Bot GS could be the most advanced Robodog from Asia. Moreover, its launch in 2024 might trigger the development of more high-tech Robodogs from other companies.